Hello student, in today's video I am going to explain some question from exercise 3.2. Here I take question number 4. Question number 4 is given. The interior angle of triangles are in the ratio 1:2:3. Interior angle of the triangle which are given in ratio. Find the ratio of its exterior angle. Okay, this is the question. Now the sum of let the interior angle of triangle be x, 2x and 3x. It is given in the ratio 1:2:3. Therefore here we take the common multiple x there. Okay. Therefore let the interior angle of triangle be what? X, 2x and 3x. According to angle sum property, sum of three angles is equal to what? 180 degree. Therefore here I write x plus 2x plus 3x is equal to 180. Angle sum property of the triangle. Then 1x plus 2x plus 3x, this is equal to 6x is equal to 180. Therefore x is equal to 180 upon 6, x is equal to 30. Here we get the value of x is equal to 30. Then we find out the interior angle of the triangle first. Okay, x is equal to 30. Second angle is what? 2x. That is 2 into 30. Here we get 60 degree. And third angle is 3x. 3 into 30. This is equal to 90 degree. These are the interior angle of the triangle. But what is the question? Here we have to find out the ratio of their exterior angle. And we know that what is the exterior angle? The angle which form the linear pair with the interior angle. Linear pair, this means sum of these two angles is equal to what? 180. Okay. Then to find out the exterior angle of the given interior angle 30 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree, you have to subtract the given angle from 180. Correct? Then you will get the exterior angle of these interior angles. Then 180 minus 30, here we get 150 degree. 180 minus 60, 120 degree, and 180 minus 90, here we get 90 degree. These are the exterior angle of given interior angle 30 degree, 60 degree and the 90 degree. Then we have to find out the ratio of the exterior angle. Ratio of exterior angle, which are the exterior angle? Here we find out 150 degree, 120 and 90. Okay, we cut or divide all these numbers by 10. Then here we get 15, 12 and 9. Again it is divided by 3. 3 5s are 15, 3 4s are 12 and 3 3s are 9. In this way here we get the simplest form, and this is 5:4:3 is the ratio of exterior angle. This is the required answer. Okay student? Okay, now see the next question, question number 5. Find the measure of x for the following figure. Some figures are given there. From that figure you have to find out the value of x. Now here I take a example. In this example or in this figure, where is the x? X is the exterior angle of this triangle ABC, correct? So remember the exterior angle property. For any polygon, sum of exterior angle is what? 360 degree. This is the rule. Okay. Now exterior angle at vertex A and B, it is given 122 and 128. X is the exterior angle at vertex C. Okay. Sum of the exterior angle for any polygon is always 360 degree. Therefore here we write x plus 128 plus 122. Sum of exterior angle. This is equal to 360 degree. Exterior angle property. Now here we solve the equation. X plus sum of these two number 250 is equal to 360. Therefore x is equal to 360 minus 250. Therefore here we get x is equal to 110 degree. This is the value of x. Okay. Now see the next question. Question number C. Question number 5. C example. Again one triangle is given PQR. Okay. And their exterior angle is given. Where is the x? Here. Okay. And x is the exterior angle at vertex Q. At vertex P exterior angle is given 150, but at vertex R interior angle is given. Okay. If we use any property, interior angle or the exterior angle property, we require all exterior angle or the all interior angle. Now two exterior angles are there. X we have to find out which is exterior angle. 150, this is the exterior angle at vertex P. But at R exterior angle is not given. That we have to find out first. Their interior angle is given 40 degree. Therefore, here we consider this exterior angle be Y. Okay. Exterior angle from linear pair with what? Interior angle. Therefore, sum of these two angle is equal to what? 180 degree linear angle we can write. Okay. Therefore, y plus 40 is equal to 180 linear angle or linear pair we can write. Okay. Then y is equal to 180 minus 40. Y is equal to 140 degree. Here we get the value of y. But here find out the value of what? X we have to find. Clear? Then now y is the exterior angle at R. This is the exterior angle at P and x is the exterior angle. Then sum of exterior angle is equal to what? 360 degree by exterior angle property. Therefore here I write x plus y plus 150 degree is equal to what? 360 degree. X that we have to find out as it is. Y here we find that is 140 degree. Plus 150 is equal to 360. Then sum of these two number 290 is equal to 360 degree. Therefore x is equal to 360 minus 290. Therefore x is equal to what? 70 degree. This is the value of x for this question. Okay. Now see one more type of the question here. Question number or example number 5. Okay. In that one quadrilateral is given PQRS. Again here we have to find out the value of what? X. Now which are the variable terms here? Now see, for this quadrilateral PQRS, these are the exterior angle. There is X, this angle and this angle. Okay. Now exterior angle for any polygon, sum of exterior angle for any polygon is always 360 degree. All exterior angles are given there. We use the property of exterior angle. Sum of these angles is equal to what? 360 degree. That is x plus 5x, x, then 5x minus 20 plus x plus 15 plus 2x plus 5. Okay, sum of all four exterior angle in this quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree. Now there is x variable term. Okay, x plus 5x plus x and 2x. Okay, their addition is what? 9x is equal to minus 20 plus 15 plus 5. This is equal to 0. There is no need to write a 0. 9x is equal to what? 360. Therefore, x is equal to 360 divided by 9 is equal to what? 40. Therefore, in this way, here we get the value of x is equal to what? 40 degree. Okay. In this way, you have to complete the example B, D and F from question number 5. Okay, student. I hope you understand all these questions based on the exterior angle property or the interior angle property. Okay. This is all for today, student. Thank you very much. Thank you.